Finding the best property management software can be a journey. With that said, finding the right tool can also completely transform your day-to-day operations, not only netting you both time and peace of mind, but a whole lot more productivity. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. Today, we're going to be comparing some popular property management software options, Cozy and Avail. The only problem, one of those, Cozy, no longer exists as a property management solution. And why is that? Because in 2018, Cozy was purchased by Apartments.com owner CoStar. The purpose of this deal was for Cozy to integrate its tenant-side features into the Apartments.com ecosystem. However, that never came to pass, so existing Cozy users were left out to dry. That said, while a true comparison is no longer possible, there are now other property management software options that are even more robust and just as affordable as Cozy was that can compare against Avail's rental property management software. In doing so, we hope to help you find the best property management tool for you. First, let's get started by talking about a few great Cozy alternatives. Then we'll take one of those and pit it up against Avail. Now, a huge disclaimer that I do work at DoorLoop, but today I'll be sharing with you how DoorLoop compares to other options and how you can make the most informed choice possible for your company. So that being said, here are 4 great Cozy alternatives, starting with DoorLoop. Our very own DoorLoop is an all-in-one leading property management software solution for property managers, property owners, and real estate professionals alike. DoorLoop is designed to make managing your portfolio, yes, even commercial properties, a breeze from anywhere. Not to mention, it helps you supercharge your property management in countless ways, from rent collection to maintenance management. The complete suite of DoorLoop's features come together to offer the perfect collection of tools you need to manage every aspect of your rental property management business. Some of DoorLoop's features include collecting rent easier than ever with the convenient owner and tenant portals, and streamlined communication tools, allowing you to greatly simplify communications with your tenants. A complete set of accounting features including bank reconciliations, multiple payment methods, and easy QuickBooks online integration, a full chart of accounts, and more. Comprehensive maintenance request management, including the ability to communicate with tenants on work orders, assign to vendors, and pay them all from within the app. Leasing tools such as tenant screening and e-leasing, and not to mention amazing marketing tools, a convenient smartphone application, and so much more. DoorLoop starter tier is just $49 per month for up to your first 20 units, so schedule a free demo today with DoorLoop with the link down in the description to see what DoorLoop can do for you. Our second option is Tenant Cloud. Tenant Cloud is a great option for anyone on a tight budget or who has a smaller number of units looking for a free property management software. That's because they offer an almost free plan for up to 75 units, though with a highly limited base of features. Tenant Cloud features include maintenance management, online rent payments, payment tracking, and an owner portal. Tenant Cloud's basic tier is free up to 75 units, though features are really limited to only a few minor tools. And if you'd like to take advantage of a slightly larger base of features, you can move up to their $12 and $40 plans respectively. With their $40 plan giving you access to their entire set of features, it's still a bit limited, but it's much closer to a good property management software option. Number 3 is Wild Apricot. Wild Apricot is a good option for anyone looking for something that's built specifically for HOA communities. It has a feature designed for small associations and communities, so if that's something you're looking for, it could be a good option for you. That being said, there are certain community features it lacks, such as calendar management and work order management, so you may find it doesn't quite check off all the boxes. Wild Apricot features include event management, committee features, member database, and payment management. Wild Apricot's pricing is pretty straightforward, and it's based on contacts as opposed to units like most property management software tools. It starts at $60 for up to 100 contacts for its full feature set, up to $900 per month for up to 50,000 contacts. And our fourth option is Inigo. Inigo is another good option if you're looking for something more affordable but limited in scale, making it a good starting point. It offers a mostly free plan, though like Tenant Cloud, features are limited. What sets it apart is its users report having an easy time navigating the application, plus many report finding their verification tools especially easy to use. Some of their features do include good leasing tools such as tenant screening and lease management, basic accounting tools, and maintenance management. Inigo has a mostly free plan with no monthly fee, but $2 per ACH payment and 2.99% for debit and credit card payments. They also charge $30 to $35 for criminal and credit history reports. Now it's time to jump into an in-depth comparison of one of our above options and Avail. We'll compare our very own DoorLoop and Avail together to see which comes out on top in each major area, including features, ease of use, customer service, and finally, pricing. Let's get started. Features. In terms of features, Avail and DoorLoops are relatively similar. Here's a breakdown. DoorLoop offers everything you need to manage your entire portfolio while helping you streamline and optimize many processes to improve productivity and gain peace of mind. We've covered many of DoorLoop's features already, but a few additional features include automatic rent payments and payment reminders, making rent collection easier than ever before, marketing tools such as automatic listings and professional IDX-based websites, an owner portal where you can print key reports and print checks, a convenient mobile app you can use to take DoorLoop with you anywhere you go, and more. Avail offers a robust set of features that gives you access to virtually everything you need to manage your properties, though at a higher price, as we'll cover later. Some of their features include online rent payments, tenant screening, maintenance management, e-leasing, and a smartphone app. Ease of use. Ease of use is one of those things that's easily forgotten about when you look into a new property management software, but becomes incredibly important as soon as you begin to use it. Quick note, we'll be using actual user review information from review sites like Capterra to inform the next two sections, not just my opinion. So let's see how they stack up. DoorLoop users report having an incredibly easy time navigating the software itself, with locating items being especially easy and something often noted by reviewers. And as you'll see in the next part, combined with the stellar customer service that's always there to help you find or get what you need, navigating DoorLoop becomes as easy as can be. Avail users report that it's generally easy to use and relatively intuitive, which is great news. Customer service. Similar to ease of use, this is easy to underestimate until you're sitting there having a hard time with some aspect of the software and you need help and you can't get a hold of anyone. So let's see how they do. DoorLoop users report having an incredibly easy time getting hold of support and no reported issues. Plus, a unique aspect of DoorLoop support, they make it super easy to get a hold of a live human being over the phone. In an age where companies actively shy away from this, much to the frustration of the users and customers, DoorLoop goes the extra mile with the option of getting 24/7 live support from a real person. Avail users report having a generally easy time getting a hold of support and getting help for their issues. Now for pricing. While everything so far has sounded pretty good, the next section can often be a make or break topic. We know pricing is the most sticking point for most, so let's get into it. With DoorLoop, you can get access to all their feature set via its starter plan for just $49 per month for up to 20 units. That's far more affordable than the other comparable full-featured property management software tools. With Avail, you can actually get started for nothing via their limited free plan with a few basic features. However, you will be paying a hefty price if you want to get the large number of features you'd be lacking compared to DoorLoop. So to get access to their full feature set, you'll need to move up to their pricey Unlimited Plus plan at $7 per unit per month, far higher than the industry average of $1 to $2 per unit. Compared to DoorLoop, you'd pay $140 for a similar feature set for the same 20 units, more than twice the price. The winner of this comparison is whichever software does what you need it to do best. We know which one we'd pick, but what about you? If you're looking for a property management tool that offers a robust set of features and offers everything you need to manage your properties and track maintenance requests, has incredible ease of use, responsive customer service with real human beings, and a competitive pricing that can fit any budget, you should definitely try DoorLoop. So if you're ready to supercharge your property management with DoorLoop's comprehensive and easy-to-use property management tools, make sure to click the link in the description to get a free demo today. I hope this video helped you out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for a place to connect with other property managers, make sure to join our exclusive Facebook group. You can also check out this playlist for more software reviews, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!